Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change network in Kukai Wallet. Kukai Wallet is a popular and secure wallet. Secure wallet used to store and send XCZ and Tezos based tokens. One useful feature in Kukai Wallet is the ability to change networks, such as switching between Mainnet, Testnet or the other supported Tezos network. Changing the network is mainly helpful for the developers, testers or using interaction with these tokens. And in this video I show you step by step on how to change the network in Kukai Wallet in a simple and easy way. So first you need to open to your Kukai Wallet on your browser or your mobile device and make sure you already have a Kukai. If you do not, you can go to the App Store or the Play Store and download it from there as well. Over here you can open it with your Face ID, Face Lock, fingerprints or the password as well. And once you reach into this dashboard or the Kukai Wallet, in the top left we can see there's a 3-line icon. Select there. And on this we could find this setting just below the connected app. Select to this setting. Over here on the top we can find the network option. Inside the setting page you need to select to this network. Which is Mainnet currently over here. So you can select on any of the Mainnet, your Net, Shadow Net, Protocol Net, Advanced Net or Experimental. After selecting the network, Kukai Wallet will automatically switch to the chosen network. You may notice a balance change, especially if you choose the Mainnet or the other net. And changing the network in Kukai Wallet is quick and easy using the setting menu. Whether you're testing smart contracts or just exploring the Tezos ecosystem, Kukai makes network switching simple and user-friendly. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.